This is going to be our new M18 FUEL PACKOUT dual battery dust extractor with backlink. It's going to be launching in the Q4 2024 timeframe. Really, three main things with this. First is going to be sustained suction. So typically if you're using a vacuum, you're going to have dust getting onto the filters. That's going to degrade your performance. This has dual automatic filter cleaning that allows you to clean the filters automatically, allowing you to maintain that suction throughout the application. Second thing is going to be versatile power for all-day productivity. So this is going to be able to run on both battery and it's going to be able to run on a cord as well too. So that's critical for multi-phase sites when you have that cordless convenience for those areas, and also extended runtime applications. You can use this corded as well. And the last is going to be backlink wireless dust control. This allows you to turn on the product remotely via the remote that we have on the end of the hose. And in the future, it's also going to be connected to tools as well. A couple other things about this is it's going to have a low flow alarm. From a safety perspective, this is going to alert you if your dust or your airflow is going to get to a certain level. And then from a productivity perspective, integrated with PACKOUT. So now you could have filters, bags, you can have tools that are connected to it. You can take all this to essentially one site.
Hello everybody, I'm Steve Yarber with Milwaukee Tool. Really excited to show everybody our new 70 kg rammer here at World of Concrete. This is going to come equipped with our new HD12O red lithium forged battery pack. This is going to give you the ability to have the hardest hitting and the fastest traveling rammer in the 70 kg class. Another thing about this product, literally no gas headaches. Not only do you not have to worry about all the components that gas brings along, but at the end of the day, you can go home without actually having a gas headache, working down in a trench or any place where emissions might rise and make that work a little less enjoyable. The last thing with the battery technology, we're going to give you up to about 25 minutes on one charge. It equates to about a quarter mile of linear feet, or about 1,600 square feet based on what you're doing. Our rammer comes with the ability to run it in two different speeds, on a high, on a low. Hit the button, watch it go.
Hey everyone, my name is Jose Castellanos and I'm a product manager for the MX FUEL team here at World of Concrete 2024. I'm going to talk today about the Gen 2 of the MX FUEL 14-inch cutoff saw. A couple of exciting things about this saw: it's going to come with a rapid stop brake. It's going to break that saw blade in under 3 seconds. It's going to come with kickback protection to keep you from getting caught in circumstances where the blade keeps spinning after you have kickback. It'll stop that blade automatically. We're going to get about 14 feet plunged into concrete, which is more than double the runtime that we got with our first generation product. And that's going to come kitted with two of our MX FUEL red lithium forged XC 8 amp hour batteries and an MX FUEL supercharger. Gives our users a recharge time of 45 minutes, keeps them productive on site for all day concrete cutting.
Hi, my name is Yong Hua with Milwaukee Tool, and really excited to introduce the MX FUEL high cycle concrete vibrator. This solution will deliver the most powerful, most consistent consolidation. Even in the stiffest concrete, this concrete vibrator will deliver 11,500 BPMs. As you're hitting tall walls and columns, or large bridges, or mass slabs, you can have confidence that this vibrator will consolidate properly. Powered by an MX FUEL red lithium forged XC80 battery pack, you're going to have no need for generators or run extension cords throughout the job site, giving you the fastest setup and a safer work environment. Runtime, you're going to get about 90 yards of consolidation with an 1 3/4 head with a 7-foot whip. High cycle vibrators, the motor is within the head, so power, performance, and runtime remains the same whether you're using a 7-foot whip, 16-foot whip, or 32-foot whip. We will have 6 different head whip combinations, widths of 7, 16, and 32 feet, head sizes of 1 3/4 and 2 1/4. This is our MX FUEL high cycle concrete vibrator. We will also have an MX FUEL high cycle backpack concrete vibrator.
This is the new MX FUEL 2-inch 1 horsepower submersible pump. This is the very first battery pump for the industry in the world. A couple cool things about this pump. It's no generator. You're not tied to a generator. You're not tied to a power cord anymore. For mobile pumping, you can pick this up, take it anywhere. Also, because of no generator, you don't have to worry about emissions. If you're pumping out confined spaces, mechanical vaults, electrical vaults, manholes, you don't have to worry about running a generator far away, worry about those emissions dropping in and not allowing you to enter that space and do some work. Beyond that, we save time and we last longer with auto sensing. We've got electronics in here that allow us to run this pump in different modes. On high, we're going to duplicate the performance of 1 horsepower 2-inch submersible pumps on the market. On low, we're going to detune that pump, which will allow us to run a lot longer and pump greater volumes. On high, we're moving 2,000 gallons in only 20 minutes. On low, we're going to run for over 2 hours and move over 5,000 total gallons of water. The other benefit of this pump is we have an integrated auto shutoff. This pump will automatically detect when it's low on water and turn the pump off, and then it will redetect when there's water and turn it back on. The whole time providing users notifications through a remote. On this remote, you're going to get the battery gauge, you're going to get whether that pump is on or off, or if it's detecting low water, and what mode it is. When the pump has a change in status, not only will the lights change, but it'll vibrate, telling the user that they should go check on the status of their pump. This is coming out in July of 2024, so stay tuned.
Hey everyone, my name is Alicia Rothenberg, product manager on the MX Fuel equipment team. Today we're introducing our MX Fuel portable battery extension. Now this is going to be a solution that delivers lighter tool weight, especially when you're doing handheld. So this is going to take your MX Fuel battery, bring it off tool, eliminating all of that additional weight of the battery, but letting you leverage the most capable packs, including our HD 12.0 forge pack. Here we have it paired with our 14-inch cutoff saw. This is great for lay down work, think repetitive cuts in rebar, pan decking, cutting into walls, etc. Really ensuring that you're getting that most reduced fatigue, and it's going to be compatible with all of our MX Fuel equipment and MX Fuel batteries. On top of that, you're not experiencing any power drop, ensuring that you're still getting that best-in-class performance.
Hey, I'm Matt with Milwaukee Tool. I'm a product manager. I'm excited to tell you about our new MX Fuel Rocket Dual Power Compact Tower Light. This light was designed for maximum portability. It's PACKOUT integrated. It's easy to remove, 49.5 pounds to move around the job site. It's easy to set up. You got a one-click deploy, 4 masts, cams, goes up 7 feet. It's got quick deploy outriggers.
I'm looking for someone running from the back of the
When you're ready to power it up,
13.
you have a low, medium, and a high. On high, you're going to see 15,000 lumens of light. And with the kitted XC406, you're going to get 3 hours of runtime.
Congratulations.
When you're all done, power it off,
And the last
and you're ready to get on to the next job site.
Reminder, we have more raffles coming up at 4. All right, let's end this with a bang. Who wants to win some red lithium USB earbuds? Brand new.
Hi, I'm Josie Renfro and I'm a product manager at Milwaukee Tool. Today I'm lucky enough to get to talk to you about our new M18 FUEL dual trigger grinder. Biggest things you're going to see on the dual trigger grinder is a non-removable side handle. We wanted to give users the ability to have 2 hands on the tool on this one, while also not limiting the accessibility. So we made the handle be able to rotate into 15 different locations. So you can move it up to the side, but you can also move it on this range to get you accessibility while you're doing your applications. We also introduced it with auto stop technology, which is on our mag drills and our rotary hammers today, where if it senses any kind of third range motion like kickback, it'll shut off the tool in under 1 second. We also paired that with our rapid stop brake. This stops the accessory in under 1 second as well when releasing from the trigger. Paired with our non-removable guard that has 3 locations, and then variable speed from 3,500 RPMs to 8,500 RPMs.
This is the new Gen 3 M18 FUEL half-inch high torque impact wrench with friction ring. This is going to be the most power-dense solution in its class, delivering 1,600 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque when paired with our new forge pack, and only weighing in at 5.3 pounds bare tool. In addition, compared to other leading competitors in the industry, this is going to be up to 2 inches shorter in length, providing you with ultimate access in those tight-to-reach spaces. Lastly, this is going to deliver faster application speeds, making you the most productive on the job site or in the shop. Hey guys, my name's Keenan, product manager on the lasers category. Right here I've got the 3701 M18 red exterior rotary laser. This thing's going to have impact protection and simplified setup. What I mean by impact protection is these really durable side handles and this really durable top bumper. That's going to provide a 1.5 meter drop rating and a 2 meter tripod tip rating. When you look at simplified setup, that's speaking to the one button functionality. Hit power, the thing's going to turn on and spin at 600 RPMs, and it can provide 3/32 at 100 accuracy. We also added in these manual masking shutters. So if you've got multiple lasers on the job and you don't want them interfering with each other, you can flip these shutters up, block whatever quadrants you don't want the light going into, and make sure you're not interrupting other people's work. On the receiver, it's going to have a clamp you can easily attach to the back. We made these things as loud as possible. We know the job sites are loud, so going upwards of 95 decibels. Obviously, you're going to check or adjust your accuracy tolerance, things like that. Go. Flip that shutter back down. This is the Milwaukee 3702 green interior rotary laser. Really big focus on impact protection and simplified setup. So again, impact protection is going to mean 1.5 meter drop rating and a 2 meter tripod tip rating. We're achieving that through these really durable handles in this top bumper. When looking at simplified setup, that's making this menu as easy to navigate as possible. So if someone's picking this laser up for the first time, they can figure out all the different features and functions of the product. One of the hero functions that this product has is the automatic center find. So if you have a rotary laser in your vertical position like this, you can set it up on your initial point. You can set your laser up on the second point, hit center find, and that laser is automatically going to sweep until it finds the center of that receiver and lock in, significantly simplifying the setup process. This laser also comes with a really nice wall mount. It can be mounted in a couple different ways with the nail and screw holes on the top. There is the wall angle clip on the top as well, and then you also have a clamp that'll attach on anything with a 3-inch OD, so window mullions, I-beams and things like that to make setting this laser up at elevation as easy as possible.
How's it going, guys? My name is Ryan Jansen, product manager here at Milwaukee Tool, specializing in circular saws. I'm very excited to announce the next gen of our M18 FUEL 6.5-inch circular saw. This saw has class-leading performance with 20% more power and 40% faster cutting than any competitor. Additionally, the lightweight, compact design paired with a new robust rafter hook makes this the perfect solution for moving around the job site, going up and down ladders, and accessing those more difficult to reach cuts. We also have bevel detents here at 22.5 and 45 degrees, as well as new to the circ world depth detents. So we have a positive stop at a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1.5 inches. This saves you from having to adjust your material on the side like that. So here we got three stacked 1/2 inch OSB.
This is our next generation of hammer drill bits. So essentially what you're seeing here is called our power tip. If you look at it real close up, you're going to see it's got all sorts of surfaces and edges. Ultimately, as you're drilling into the material, you're going to get more contact with that material, digging that out of the hole faster. You're going to get up to 4x faster drilling speeds, and because there's less wear on each surface, you're going to get up to 9x longer life. This is available on diameters 3/8 and up across our range of different lengths.
This is Spear Fruit, product manager for batteries at Milwaukee Tool. What we have here is our roll-on power supply. So this is a 7,200 watt peak, 3,600 watt continuous power supply. It has 2 outlets here, 20 amp across each, and what this product is, it's really an internal core. So if you think about this is truly a gas replacement. You're able to take it anywhere on the job site to have portable power. Whether that's powering your corded power tool products or that's powering the chargers for your cordless power tools. So this is a great example here. We've got 2 of our M18 PACKOUT rapid chargers. Both are powered off the roll-on power supply. So you have the ability to power up to 20 M18 batteries off a single charge of the roll-on. You have the ability to plug corded power tools of around 1,500 watts, similar to like a corded circ saw, and get over 4,000 cuts in OSB with just a single charge of the roll-on power supply. This is coming later this year, and it's going to be retailing for $44.99.
How's it going? My name is Wes with Milwaukee Tool. I'm a product manager on our job site apparel team. Today we are at World of Concrete in our Workwear booth, and what we launched in the last 6 months or so is our Workwear collections. So WorkSkin, FreeFlex, and Gridiron, each collection is going to give you an elevated performance in one of those 3 areas without sacrificing in the others. And all of our workwear is designed and developed from the ground up in Milwaukee throughout tons of research and tons of time on jobs with real users. So if you want to start with the WorkSkin collection, these products are built to fight sweat. So it's all about moisture management, wicking, drying fast. All those custom materials are designed to do specifically that and keep you dry, whether it's in warm or cold weather. FreeFlex products, these are built for movement. So whether it's from stretch fabrics or construction and specific patented designs, it is going to minimize that restriction and maximize your range of motion. Gridiron products are built to survive, so best-in-class durability, whether it's a pocket tee or a vest, it's going to be durable, it's built to survive. I want to highlight 2 specific things that we just have launching right now. First is our FreeFlex unlined bibs. So they're going to be built for year-round use, extremely stretchy, but also they're going to have custom crotch gussets, double stitch knees. They're going to be built for everyday use, whether you're framing a house or you're pouring concrete. The next thing I want to highlight is our hooded sun shirt. So this also just launched WorkSkin collection, stretch fabric, extremely lightweight with the hood, breathes very well, dries very fast, and UPF 50 sun protection.
Hello, I'm Brian. I'm really excited today to introduce the M18 FUEL Duplex nailer. So duplex nailing traditionally is a very manual process. These nails are hand driven into material. It's time consuming and labor intensive. Happy to say with the introduction of the M18 FUEL Duplex nailer, we are rapidly improving users' productivity and safety on the job site. From a productivity standpoint, you are able to assemble formwork up to 7 times faster than hand driving these nails. And then when you look at it from a safety aspect, there's a considerable improvement to user safety, removing the repetitive motion of swinging a hammer. So you're not only faster, but you're safer by using this tool. In addition to that, you're getting all-day runtime. On a single 5 amp-hour battery charge, you get over 800 nails, which is more than enough to get you through your most demanding day of concrete formwork installation. Along with this tool, we are also developing a collated fastener. So we will have 2 sides of the collated fastener, a 16 penny and an 8 penny duplex nail. With both of these, we have an increased spacing between nail heads, and then we also have a larger second nail head, so it's easier to access and pry from the material. So we got some formwork set up here, and you can see for yourself the productivity savings of using this tool.
Hi, I'm Austin Dorman. We're here at the Milwaukee Tool booth here at World of Concrete, and I'm showing off our new bolt helmets as well as bolt accessories. So when we set out to make the bolt helmet, we really wanted to make sure we made the most adaptable helmet in the market. That means we were able to stack on all of these different accessories, much like our M12 platform, our M18 platform, even PACKOUT. This is our platform for PPE. You have your base in the helmet, and you can stack all of your different accessories. You're not limited into choosing, do you want to protect your ears or your face? You can simultaneously stack on your face shield, your eye visor, you can do your sun protection, your earmuffs, anything you need to make sure you're staying safe on the job site. And now, because Milwaukee Tool, we strive for innovation and being the best in the business, we're taking that to the next level in our helmet. We actually, coming out this year, shipping early February, we have our Impact Armor Liner. What this is a strain rate dependent material. It's really soft and comfortable when sitting on top of your head, but when impacted, it hardens up to help reduce the amount of movement of your head when you fall. So what that does is it really reduces or even eliminates these traumatic brain injuries when a slip, trip, or fall occurrence happens on the job site.